Peel off the line and that photo new might pull up with that bag and we about to go.
I see I got all these Sephora bags. I could not finish my Victoria's Secret background because I do not have enough bags. It's so sad because I wanted to finish it, but I can't. But you see, I do have, okay, a numerous amount of Sephora bags. I'm gonna try to make a background out of the Sephora bags. I mean, hopefully I have enough. Hopefully, honey. I don't know. I just hope I have enough. So, yo, I just got back from the movies and I saw What Being One. Honey, that movie is so good. It's such a good movie. I feel like anything with Taraji in it is always a good movie. Like, always. Yeah, I'm everyone's fantasy. Where she doing it? But yeah, y'all. I was gonna say y'all with me, but it wasn't raining. So who was about to take the camera out in the rain? Not me. Oh, y'all. I'm gonna get ready for work. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Alright, so it's Tuesday, y'all. And I think it's the 20th, I believe. Either the 20th or the 21st, whatever. Actually the 20th. So yeah, it's Brianna's birthday. Yeah, so before I go to work, I just want to like cook like a short little meal on here. I'm gonna do chicken and broccoli real easy, nothing too extravagant. So yeah, I just feel like, you know, cooking. All I had was a Hot Pocket this morning, so I am hungry, and I don't want to go to work starving. So yeah. All right. Ooh. Okay. So, oh my god, I really feel like you cannot see anything. Y'all can see this? I don't know. Anyway, so the chicken that I'm using is just some diced chicken, y'all. Just regular diced chicken breast, honestly. And I used what was in the rest of the bag, so we can toss that. I did put it in water. And I thawed out the chicken because obviously it was in the freezer. So, and I do have my broccoli. I like fresh broccoli. I don't like broccoli in the pack. I mean, it tastes different. Really do. There's a difference. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Hold on. Which one I want to cook broccoli in, honestly. I'm gonna cook broccoli in this pan. Y'all don't mind the fruit, okay? This is apples and whatnot, but and then this is a Ninja burger over here. I just don't want all this stuff in my video because, honey, that honestly gives me anxiety when stuff don't look what is it? Just like organized. I don't know. Anyway, it looks like clutter to me, so that's why I gotta straighten it up, you know. And I need working room. When I'm cooking, I need working room. I don't need all this stuff around me. So, which is a little hot. I need a. Okay. I think all this chicken can fit in here. It's not, like I said, it's the dices, so basically here's the chicken. I washed it off and all that good stuff, so now I'm about to season it. Y'all, I really don't even have that many seasonings, honestly, because I haven't bought I haven't read up on my seasonings like I should be, so I just been using all this basic stuff. But we gonna do what it do. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings I got, and I'm gonna speed this up. So we got Creole, We got soul food seasoning. Don't got that in their cabinet. Garlic and pepper seasoning, black pepper, parsley, and this is actually wait a minute, this is actually empty. So parsley flakes, olive oil for the pan. Oh yes, honey. Okay, got some fresh lemon. Now I don't usually, sometimes I put lemon on my chicken while I'm seasoning and while it's in the pan and when I serve it. That's just because I love lemon. Like, lemon brings out flavor. So to me it does. But you can do either or all three. Alright, so now that I season my chicken, okay, so in the pan, all you're going to want to put in your pan is garlic and olive oil. I use minced garlic. You know, it's easy. All I gotta do is just scoop it, put it in the pan. You ain't gotta, you know, get the cloves, peel them, chop them, do all that. You ain't gotta do all that. Just get the minced garlic, olive oil, boom, boom, put that in the pan. Okay. I'm about to do my broccoli, and what all I'm gonna do is just wash it off really good. Chop it, take, you know, the stem off, and I don't season my broccoli until it's in the pan. You really don't have to season broccoli that much. I mean, I don't, you know, just put a little flavor up in there, but the olive oil gives it a good flavor too. And, you know, just put a little dash of this, dash of that, because if you put too much seasoning on your broccoli, it's gonna taste really salty. Got the broccoli going and the chicken. Oh yes, honey. Oh my god, this looks good. Look at the greens. Look at that, honey. Look like it just came from the root. Look at that lemon. Ooh, in this okay, y'all. So, yep, that's basically all I cooked today. I guess I'm gonna do a taste test. Okay, and child, this ain't water. Okay, this is regular soda. Well, it's actually ginger ale. But honey, sometimes I don't be drinking water with my meals because I drink water throughout the day. So sometimes with my meals, I be wanting a little carbonation, period. So I got this lemon. I'm just gonna sprinkle just some more lemon juice. Oh yes, come on. Come on. Okay. And if I want extra lemon, you know, I can always squirt some more on there. So let's taste this, honey. First, we're gonna say our blessings and prayers. Okay, let's go. So I don't know if they came in. Y'all know how USPS be playing. So these are lashes. This is from Petal Rose. Ooh, child, I can't even get the thing out. It's tight. Hold on. This is nice. Ooh, look. This is too cute. Gives you a little bag. So this is the Forever Magic Cosmetics eyebrow gel. And look at this. Pull it out like this. More bubble wrap, honey. We love protection, okay? We love protection and safety. Wrap it up. That goes for makeup and lifestyle. Okay. So this is the brush that it comes with, and this is the eyebrow pomade. I keep calling it pomade, y'all, but it is a brow gel, okay? So it's an eyebrow gel. Ooh, this is nice. And this is in the color Razzle Dazzle Brown, the one that I always use. She had resent me another one because I did run out. So that was very nice of her to send me another one. Because I've definitely been wanting another one. This product is so amazing. All right, so look, I'm lacking on ingredients for a salad. I haven't even grocery shopping, but anyway, I got lettuce, 2 boiled eggs on there, some shredded chicken, and banana pepper. Don't ask me why I'm craving banana pepper. I like spicy stuff, so anything that spicy, anything that's spicy, child, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my salad. And I was gonna do vinaigrette, but I think I'm gonna do ranch, y'all. Ooh. Bust down, Celestynaa, bust down, Celestynaa. I wanna see you bust down. Anyway. Alright, let's get it, let's go. So y'all, I'm about to go to a baby shower with my best friend. So I just got ready. I'm already ready. She said she on the way. I'm actually ready before her, so that's like very surprising. But yeah, you know what? My toes ain't done, so I'm not wearing no extravagant shoes. So it don't even matter. But yeah. So it's actually very cloudy today. So I don't know. I hope it don't start raining because I don't have time for that. I really don't. I look too cute for it to be raining. I mean, I know I'm dripping, but I don't need to be raining, okay? Okay. So we'll see how this goes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fun because they all funny. So yeah, let's go. What's up? But now the baby shower was really nice and cool, but it was a really good turnout. You know, I'm always looking cute when I step out. Don't be camera shy. Come on. Come on, girl. Yes, it is. Which side do you want to be on? Oh my God. Why you get camera shy? Come on, best friend. Alright, guys. So, yeah, it's my best friend, Jackie. Y'all, we've been best friends for almost 9 years. Who can top that? No one. Nobody. I'm sorry. So.
Oh, this is cute.
Who's that? Oh, you got Max and Oreo over here. Well, I'm gonna let you know what I want to say. Stop hating. That's what I want to say. Stop hating, okay? Stop being miserable. Yeah, stop hating. You feel me? Mm-hmm.
This thing fire.
What? Ooh, now that's cute. That's cute. That's cute.
I like it.
Hey, Oreo. What they do?
My puff's still lopsided. Dang.
Your puff lopsided?
Yeah. Boy, look right here.
Oh, wow.
Dang.
Don't. It is lopsided.
That's hilarious. What movie you want to watch?
Oh, no. Let me look at my Netflix.
That's bougie for real.
What?
That's cute though.
Thank you.
I can make it. Yeah.
Y'all, she said this bougie because I put a little black straw in my ice cold water.
Anyways.
While she finna drink some soda.
Out of can.
Without a straw. Girl, what you doing?
I just said school, they was like, here she go. But Should I stay Monday and then get my hair done, or go back Sunday and just come back Friday and get my hair done?
What you get done to your hair?
Straightened.
You ain't gotta go to school Monday?
I don't have classes Monday, so I'll just get my hair done and then drive back Monday.
I will get my hair done.
But it depends on the weather too, because it'll puff back up.
You can't wrap it before you leave?
That is true. So you get your hair done?
I'll get my hair done. I ain't been waiting on a week.
It's not like I have anybody to see anymore.
Girl. Don't do that.
I don't.
LOL.
That's annoying as that is.
We're not gonna get into that. Oh Lord. I don't understand why men, oh, not even men, honey, because they don't be men, they be little boys. I don't understand. I just don't understand why y'all lack common sense. I don't understand why they lack common sense. Just think about it.
Why y'all stupid?
Honestly. I mean, they say, obviously, you know, women mature faster, but still, honey, still. That still ain't no excuse. Because this one dude I work with, he's younger than me. And he's mature for his age. Very mature for his age. But he is very young, though. Girl, I am not talking about him. Not talking about him, girl. Actually, I don't know how old he is. Actually, I don't know that.
You'll find out from you.
Whatever.
Hilarious.
Whatever. We will definitely see. We shall see. Cause Chad, if you lower than me, girl, I gotta scoot on, man. I gotta scoot on, man. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry. I gotta send you home, buddy. Y'all, we be cooking. You know what I'm saying? Usually when I come over here, me and my best friend cook, but we ain't cooking today. But one of these days, we will cook for y'all. One of these days. And we be cooking that good stuff. We don't cook no regular meal. Like, we be cooking that Instagram food. So, we do. So, you know.
Yes, okay.
One day when we do something, I'll definitely, like, record it or something. I need some more water. Ooh, my legs hurt so bad. So bad. Oh, look. My legs hurt so bad. Gang. So we got goodie bags from the baby shower, y'all. I got candy in here. I already done ate all the chocolate though.
Hilarious.
Let's see. I think this is a mint. I want some chocolate. You know how bad me curves some chocolate? You hear that? You hear that?
What?
Maybe I'm going crazy. I ain't trying to psych you out.
That?
Yeah.
Video.
Who?
It was a video, listen. It's blue face.
Oh.
I don't know.
Come on, honey. I'm finna turn on the movie. Y'all see my Ric Flair drip? I'll play too much. See yo. I try to sleep for success. Oh yeah, you going to the movie to see that movie?
No.
You are.
I will not be. I will not
Man,
be.
Jackie, you scared. You scared. You scared.
I will not be watching that.
You know what? I really think it looks how it's not gonna be. I really feel like it's gonna be a good message behind the movie.
Oh.
For real.
No.
You tripping, bro. Oh, it come out what? March what? 22nd?
Actually, it can stay in production. It ain't even gotta come to theaters.
Girl,
Okay?
girl, you just scared. For no
This
reason.
thing about to be good. Okay.
I don't know how you eat banana pudding.
I know you like.
I'm telling the truth. I don't like banana pudding, y'all. I don't like bananas.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Shoot, I probably sounded stupid.
Girl, that's the whole point. We not supposed to be camera directors over here. It's supposed to be natural. Okay, I don't do all that clickbait stuff. I don't do all that. What these YouTubers be doing. I don't do all that.
Alright.
Period.
Let it know.
All shade, all tea.
All shade. All shade though. Okay, let's see. Where is
Ooh, I need to go to Popeyes, bro. That's the movie.
Netflix? Y'all, I'm signing out. I don't know how we're gonna turn out. But we'll see.